Knock knock.
Who's there?
Another trading robot review.
Which robot?
The Nasdaq Ghost MT4 robot. The robot is being distributed by a South African guy on Instagram, being sold for $175. Some of my subscribers are asking me if I have tested the robot, but as you know, I'm not a big fan of South African trading tools, due to my previous many bad experiences. Nonetheless, I will be testing this robot on Nasdaq market, currencies, metals and cryptocurrencies for 72 hours. Join me in this quest. Let the testing begin. First thing you see when you install the robot, it's the blue background, with a sticker on the left saying, verified, plug and play. 9 clickable buttons at the bottom left. I will be testing their significance later. First I will be running this robot on Nasdaq market, also called NAS 100 or US Tech Cash 100. Then I will add other markets after I understand the logic behind this robot. The robot executes trades almost immediately after it has been installed. Most likely the robot strategy is based on grid hedging strategy. A grid hedge trading robot automates the buying and selling of futures contracts. It is designed to place orders in the market at preset intervals within a configured price range. The basic idea is that any losing trades can be offset by the profitable ones, mostly using calculated martingale. The Nasdaq Ghost robot uses grid martingale logic to cover the loss. On this video I will be showing the maximum martingale steps the robot took in order to cover the loss. With this robot you can configure your take profit and stop loss manually using the buttons provided. You can edit your take profit and stop loss level and apply it on all your open orders. These other buttons are for deleting the take profit and stop loss levels. There is a button for adding or subtracting points. Also a button for closing all the orders that are opened at one click. All are working. I will close all the Nasdaq trades for now. I have been running the robot for 24 hours straight. The market had been stagnant during that time, and the robot was able to make $58 profit. I want to add other markets and see how they perform compared to the Nasdaq market. I will start with gold. Follow my steps for the installation process. You will be provided with 2 files for the robot, the ex4 file and a DLL file. Install each file on its respective folder. The robot is configured to trade with the lowest trading lot, but you can edit it and set your own preferred take profit and stop loss. Press OK to load the robot on the chart. You will be welcomed by this voice.
Welcome to the Nasdaq Ghost robot. Plug and play.
Then the background will turn to blue. All set up now for gold. Do the same for other markets. I will attach the robot on Euro USD currency. Use default settings or input your own parameters.
Welcome to the Nasdaq Ghost robot. Plug and play.
As you can see, the trades have started being executed. I will also attach the robot on US 500 Equity Index or S&P 500. This is an American stock market index that tracks the performance of the top 500 companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market or the New York Stock Exchange.
Welcome to the Nasdaq Ghost robot. Plug and play.
The next market to test will be the Google stock market. This market is highly volatile. Set the lowest parameters possible to avoid huge drawdown.
Welcome to the Nasdaq Ghost robot. Plug and play.
The last market that I will test is the Bitcoin against the dollar, BTC USD. This is a crypto market, also very volatile and fast moving.
Welcome to the Nasdaq Ghost robot. Plug and play.
All 6 markets set up and running. These are the markets that the robot supports according to the owner. I wouldn't advise you to run all the markets at once. Especially on a real account, I recommend one asset because of the factors that we will see later on this video. Previous day results for Nasdaq 100 are good. Let's see how the robot will perform on other markets for 24 hours at least. I will be assessing all the important details like the trades closed in profit and trades closed in loss, the current equity on my capital, the margin level percentage left, total lots taken on the martingale steps, and the overall drawdown. My starting capital is $10,000, running the Nasdaq robot for 72 hours. I will fast forward this part of the video to make it quick as possible. Time is money, but watch closely how the Nasdaq Ghost robot executes the trades on a live market. This info will equip you with the best knowledge on whether the Nasdaq Ghost robot will suit your trading style or not. The Bitcoin market was too fast for me to hold it. It moved from 0.01 lot to 0.1 lot in less than 30 minutes. That's 10 martingale steps. The martingale levels were increasing at a fast rate, so I closed all the BTC orders while they were in profit. However, you can reduce the martingale multiplier to 1, which means the robot will not apply the martingale principle. I also closed all the trade orders for Google stock market because of the volatility. You need a huge capital to run robots on this market. Even the lowest lot can give you a huge drawdown. I left the Nasdaq Ghost running until the next day, unmonitored. When I got back, the trades were still running in profit. Not many trades had closed though. The gold trade orders were performing well. The market was very calm during this time. Not much activity on the charts. I also closed some trades on Euro USD and S&P 500 markets to increase my margin percentage level. In trading, the margin level is the percentage value based on the amount of equity versus used capital. Margin level allows you to know how much of your funds are available for new trades. The higher the margin level, the more free margin you have available to trade. The lower the margin level, the less free margin available to trade, which could result in something very bad like a margin call or a stop out. Currently I'm running this Nasdaq Ghost robot on 4 markets: Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, Gold and Euro USD markets. The Nasdaq market has 12 trades running. Because of the martingale steps, this robot will keep on taking trades until it wins. The limitation is your starting capital. You must have a huge capital to hold these trades. Currently the robot keeps on buying the dip after every price point, but the market keeps on going down. That's why the trades are running on a negative. This kind of trading logic is not based on any technical analysis. The robot doesn't know the market conditions such as the trend direction or momentum. Its strategy is purely based on speculation. Speculative trading is a strategy which is high risk but can generate high reward. Nasdaq Ghost robot uses this logic. It's a very risky approach, especially on a trading robot. The major risks include high drawdown due to big lots caused by martingale. This robot is not suitable for low capital traders. You need to monitor and make sure you can hold the trades. I will hold my current trades throughout the day and see how they will perform, especially during high-impact financial trading news. In order for a trading robot to work effectively, you need to have a strong internet connection and a dedicated computer that is running 24/7. This ensures that your trading robot is not interrupted. There are various companies that offer Forex virtual private servers or VPS, where you rent a remote computer for a monthly fee. Personally, I use cheap VPS because of their ultra-low network latency and fast internet speed. Also, it's very cheap with very flexible packages to choose from depending on your needs. There are other good VPS websites like the fxvps.pro, which offer reliable and guaranteed no downtime. There are other free VPS that you can try and get, like the Amazon Web Services. They offer 1-year free trial Windows VPS. Google Cloud also gives free Windows VPS with unlimited access. The only downside to these free VPS is that you need a credit card for verification. Not all credit cards are accepted. The best thing is that you can access and control these remote computers with your smartphone using RD Client app. You can get it from Play Store. You don't need a computer to access a VPS. I will be doing a well-detailed video of how to get these VPS and access them. Subscribe to stay tuned. Back to our Nasdaq Ghost robot, the drawdown is increasing dramatically. There was high-impact trading news that day. The big movements were caused by the fundamental news, thus affecting the running orders. Now drawdown is at negative $400 and counting. The Nasdaq Ghost robot is definitely affected by fundamental news. I wouldn't recommend anyone to run this robot during high-impact trading news. Confirm with daily FX calendar and see the upcoming news events that affect the dollar, and avoid running the robot during that time until the market is calm again. The robot opens multiple orders, which is very dangerous. Right now the current drawdown is at negative $2,000. The best traders are the ones who know how to manage their losses. Always put a stop loss to avoid blowing your account. In my case, I will close some trades which are running in profit to safeguard the capital. I will monitor the rest of the losing trades and see if the market will retrace back to the break-even point after the news period is over. If the losses continue, close the trades. My ultimate review of the Nasdaq Ghost robot is that the robot strategy is based on grid hedging strategy. This strategy works best on choppy markets with sideways trending charts. The robot will run good on markets with a stagnant trend. The robot will not work good on clear trending markets because it keeps on taking trades in opposite direction. If a reversal does not happen, the trades will keep on losing. The robot has no inbuilt technical analysis indicators nor loss recovery technique. The martingale factor is not regulated. This robot should be run on a low spread MT4 Forex platform, preferably from 0 spread to 3 at maximum. Higher than that, the robot might give a huge drawdown. You cannot run this Nasdaq Ghost robot for 24 hours without monitoring. Many things can go wrong. I closed all my running trades, some in profit, some in loss. I only left the Nasdaq 100 index trades running. Final balance was $12,000 after running the robot for 72 hours. $2,000 profit made. But don't get excited, remember the drawdown was around this amount. Highest lot taken on Nasdaq 100 index market is 7 lots. That's a very big lot to take. You need big capital amount to hold 7 lots martingale trade. That's all for Nasdaq Ghost Trading Robot Review. Here are my final trading results. Some trades I closed them manually, some trades closed automatically. The robot will be available for free download on all my platforms. It will be the cracked version, but there is no difference between cracked version and licensed version. Cracking does not affect the trading logic of a robot. Download link available below this video and on my 2 public Telegram channels. Join and subscribe to be able to access this robot plus other trading tools and strategies. Thank you for your watch time. Press the thumbs up button if you liked this video, share it on your trading groups and community. If you have a particular trading tool that you would want me to review, leave your comment below and I will check it out. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and hit on that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new trading tool. Good luck happens to all my new subscribers. Try your luck now by subscribing. Give me feedback tomorrow. I'm out. Peace and good health to everyone watching this. Take care of yourselves.
Talk to you soon. I got work to do.